Hello, we are Team 15 with the project of Smart Water Heater. Here is our product, and the Arduino and the breadboard is kept over the top of the main container. Ramesh is going to connect the Arduino with the laptop and is going to quickly compile and upload the code onto the Arduino Uno. He has made the entire hands-on project and is now going to demonstrate it. So let us switch on the heater, and he is going to open the serial monitor to read the temperature readings. And as you can see with the timestamp, the temperature readings have started coming. It is currently somewhere near the normal water temperature. We are going to skip a few of the temperature readings as a lot of readings are going to come. So as you can see, first the green LED has started glowing as the temperature has crossed 30 degrees Celsius. Yes, the temperature has crossed 30 degrees Celsius just now. So on fast forwarding it, it has reached 38 degrees Celsius. The temperature is about to cross the limit of 40 degrees Celsius. The heating process is going on. So next, the blue LED has also started glowing as the temperature has just crossed 40 degrees Celsius. And the heating process is continued. This is a short video of the components that are present on the product. Currently the temperature of the water inside the heater is 49 degrees Celsius. It is further increasing, and yes, it has crossed 50 degrees Celsius, and you can see the red LED has also started glowing. All the three LEDs are now glowing, and the heating process is further continued till the maximum temperature that is set in the program, that is 60 degrees Celsius, is attained. This is the backside of the product with showing all the buzzer, relay and the breadboards that are connected to our product. The relay is responsible for the switching on and off of the immersion coil. The Arduino is still on work as the temperature is currently between 50 to 60 degree range. 3 LEDs glowing. And as you can see, the temperature is currently at 59.50 degrees Celsius, and it can anytime cross 60 degrees Celsius. And yes, as it has crossed 60 degrees Celsius, you can hear a beeping sound from the buzzer, which is used to alarm the user that the heating process is completed, and the relay has entirely stopped the program, and you can see no more further readings are coming from the temperature sensor as the entire program is shut off and the immersion coil is also switched off. This is a closer view of the inner components present inside our project. The DS18B20 temperature sensor is dipped inside the water, and Ramesh is going to show a closer view of the immersion coil. The metallic part has the temperature sensor embedded inside it, making it waterproof. Now Ramesh is going to scroll down through the series of temperature that we have received from the temperature sensor, and as you can see, the heating was stopped when the temperature was at a final temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. I hope we did everything fine. Thank you.